It was one of the hottest summer days Yvonne and Anderson could remember. The sun shone like a giant golden lamp, birds chirped from the trees, and children laughed as they played in the park. "Wow, it is hot," said Anderson, waving his baseball cap like a fan. Yvonne nodded and pressed her hand to her tummy. "I wish I had something cold to eat." Just then, the familiar ice cream truck jingled down the street. Ding ding. Ding ding. "Ice Pops," shouted Anderson, already running. The two friends bought colorful fruit ice pops, Anderson choosing blue raspberry and Yvonne choosing strawberry. They sat beneath a shady tree and admired their frozen treats. "My ice pop is as hard as a rock," laughed Anderson. "So is mine," said Yvonne. But after only a few minutes, Yvonne frowned. Uh-oh. A pink drop slid down her ice pop and tickled her fingers. "Mine is getting sticky." Anderson stared at his own hand. "Mine too." Soon, bright drips were running everywhere. "Why is this happening?" Anderson asked. "Why are our ice pops turning into liquid?" At that moment, their neighbor Mrs. Parker walked by carrying a basket of tomatoes and a smile. "Hello, explorers," she said. "You look as though you are solving a mystery." "We are," said Yvonne. "Why is our ice melting?" Mrs. Parker knelt beside them. "Excellent question. Let us find out." She pointed up at the blazing sky. "First, heat. The sun gives off heat, which is a kind of energy. On a warm day, everything outside soaks up some of that heat." "So the sun is warming our ice pops?" asked Anderson. "Exactly." Mrs. Parker picked up a tiny ice cube from her drinks cooler. "When water gets very cold, it freezes and becomes ice. But when ice warms up, the tiny water parts inside begin moving faster and faster." Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!